Thank you for your Premade Genie purchase. This is the website interactive planner, and today I'm going to show you how to go through and fill out this planner so that you can best work with our setup team to get your template set up. Okay, so starting over here in the branding information, this whole thing is called a card. Each of these things are called cards, or they're called lists, and then the things inside of them are called cards. So on this branding information list, you're currently watching this video that says start here. If you need to see what's included in the template setup, that's here. And then we're going to get into some sections where you're going to have to actually start filling out these cards. So your brand colors, please add your color codes into the Trello board. So you would come and you would do hashtag and then type whatever your color number is. I'm just making up something. And then you will see a little square of the color there. And if you don't have any idea what colors you are going to be using or what the color codes are, please go to Pinterest and type in font color palettes. You can also do the same thing for your fonts, and you should be able to get a good idea of what colors you want to use. You can drop a image of a color palette in here, and we will convert the color codes for you. But you do need to go ahead and figure out your colors. The next thing is brand fonts. Similar to that, what I would like for you to do is go in and put the name of your font. And if you have your font files, like if it's a font that you purchased from somewhere, go ahead and drop the font files here as well so we can make sure that we are using the correct files. If you don't have font files and it's just a font you found on Canva or something like that, then we should be able to have access to that font. So just put the name of it. And then for your social media links, I want you to go ahead and put all the social media links of the social media accounts that you want to be included in your template. So Instagram, Facebook, whatever those templates are, or whatever those links are, go ahead and put those there. TikTok, put all your links. If you have a lot, it's okay. Just go ahead and put all your links. We want to make sure that you are well connected into the site. Please go ahead and also enter your Wix login information. We may have to go into your Wix back end. We do design the template on our end and transfer it in, but just in case we need to access your Wix, go ahead and put that login information here. For your email marketing, if you have an email marketing platform that you would like connected to your Wix website, then please go ahead and put that login information here. And we are adding all information into the add more detailed description. And then in the view the template live, there will be a link here for you to refer to the template and actually see it live as you're going through and filling out the planner. Okay, so the next list are all about the pages of the website. So as you can see, each website page has been broken into sections. So we'll go start here at this homepage section. In this, you are going to want to enter your background and the information that you want to replace the text and the button. So please make sure that any text-based information where it says making your life easier one task at a time, you want to enter the replacement text. And then the button, there's a button, the button says shop, but you can enter the replacement text for the button. You are going to also, you can go to attachment and upload the image that you want in the background. You can do like a short video, not a video that of you talking or anything, but a video of maybe like a stock video or a photo, a stock photo, a background photo, something like that, that you want to replace these two ladies standing in the scene that they're in. Make sure you add that. If you don't add anything, then we won't replace this. So that you'll keep going down each section and you will enter each piece of content for each section. We have it broken down like this so that it's very clear on how you want to use the template with your content. As you can see over here in the description area, it does give you some directions of things you can do, drop the images you would like, replace the replacement text, and enter this section's content. So each section you'll go through, you'll add your attachment, you'll add your content, and if you have any questions, then please feel free to comment. You can comment on any section. It has a activity, and then write a comment. You can write a comment. When you write the comment, please make sure you do at and then the Premade Genie, and then write your comments so that we make sure we're tagged and we get our email and that we don't miss anything. If you don't tag, we do check the boards once a day, but it's better if you tag because we'll go ahead and get an instant notification. And that's it. If you are in need of anything, or if you have any questions about how to edit this template or how to edit this website interactive planner, then please go ahead and send us an email and we will get you a response as soon as possible. All right, bye.